Welcome to Delivery of Things World 2016. I'm here with Lars Kruse from Praqma,
Yes.
our business partner here at the event. Thank you for being here. So could you maybe sum up what Praqma is doing in terms of DevOps in 3 sentences?
Yeah, so Praqma, we're a consultancy bureau and we're specialized in continuous delivery and DevOps. So that's all we do. We help people realize their potential within continuous delivery and DevOps in training and consulting and implementation. So essentially enabling the customers to build quality into their software instead of gluing it on after it's supposed to be finished.
So this morning you're going to moderate a word cafe session, so a little bit more interaction. Your talk is focusing on the concept of continuous delivery maturity model. Can you maybe tell us a little bit more about it?
Yeah, so the continuous delivery maturity model is actually something that we have developed in order to be able to help our customers. Often when they engage with us, they meet us with questions like, given that we are where we are, what would be the next natural step for us to take in order to get to this, continuous delivery end goal that we have. And this is then a compilation of abilities and features and best practices that we have seen throughout our implementations of continuous delivery, that we have organized in different areas and different levels, and we use them to get the talk going. So it's like a model that's used for conversational therapy with our customers about where they want to be in the future. So essentially we use that to build a roadmap or a backlog for the customers, so they know essentially what are the items that they should work on to implement this. So identifying low-hanging fruits, roadblocks, stuff like that.
And how do you think companies can successfully implement DevOps? What's the secret?
Well, there is no secret. There is no silver bullet. I think that's the most important message. That there are only lots of regular lead bullets. So you need to shoot a lot, and essentially it's like the small step manifesto, right? You need to take a lot of small steps in the right direction, and if you continuously do that, then eventually you will end up a good place. But it is really like agile software development, right? You want to take it one bit at a time. But essentially there are some parameters that need to be in there, like a programmable infrastructure, an automated backend, all those things that you want to be able to execute whatever you want to do. So get rid of all the manual work, start automating, and then automate some more, and then write some code. It's anything as code, right? Write anything as code.
How about challenges? What are the challenges implementing DevOps?
I think the challenges that companies see is that some of them are struggling with their own internal approaches. So essentially, if companies are already doing a lot of software, been doing it for a lot of years, they have the staff available. This is kind of a new paradigm. It's a different way of working, and making that mental shift can be quite difficult for a lot of companies and for the staff that they have. So it's really a learning experience, and not just for the software developers, but also that we're trying to enlarge the team. DevOps is about breaking down silos so that devs and ops can work together. But there are many silos, right? Devs and testers and devs and product owners. So it's really about breaking down silos in the organization and make everybody work together so that you see the software as just one product that needs to go out. Everybody needs to contribute to that. And this is causing a lot of pain in the organization. So it's essentially an organizational change. I mean, tools are just easy, right? You implement them and you learn them and then you practice and then essentially you're done. Tools are not difficult. It's the organization that's really causing the problems.
And coming back a little bit to the event, what do you think of the delivery of things?
It's fantastic. I really like it. So continuous delivery is something that we need to have a lot of focus on. People are very interested in this, but people also want to learn and get inspired from each other. And conferences like these are very important because they're so specific on this topic. So they're not very big. I mean, it's a good. So you get to meet a lot of people. You get to see the same attendees again and again, and you get to talk to them. And there are a lot of good conversations. And we had all these breakout sessions, and we had a dinner yesterday. Even there was a meetup before. So everything is perfect. I really like it.
Well, thank you very much, Lars, and then enjoy the word cafes coming up.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.